Hello children, welcome to 10th standard video lessons. In our previous classes, we have learned about solving pair of linear equations in two variables by elimination method. Hope you have understood that. Today we shall learn one more very interesting method, that is graphical method of solving problems. Now let us consider an example. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, first equation, and second equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Dear children, now we shall consider the first equation. First equation is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Write this equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. That means keep y on the left hand side, take 2x and minus 6 to the right hand side. So it becomes y is equal to this minus 6 will become plus 6 and plus 2x will become minus 2x on transferring to the right hand side. Now you know last day you have learned we have to give different values for x and obtain the value of y. Dear children, now first value, let us consider x is equal to 0. So in this equation, you substitute x is equal to 0. So that is this equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Right here y is equal to 6 minus 2 into x. 2 into x means we have taken x as 0. 2 into 0 is now simplify this 6 right as it is. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. So now 6 minus 0 is 6. Similarly, now give value, one more value. You can give any other value. I have given x is equal to 1. So if x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1. Dear children, remember always in the place of x, you have to substitute the value. We get 1 here. So as usual, 6 minus 2 ones are 2. That is equal to 4. So we need to give one more value. We have taken here x is equal to 2. So this y minus 6, y is equal to 6 minus 2x becomes y equals 6 minus 2 into x. X is 2. That is equal to simplification. Write 6 as it is. Minus 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Dear children, make a table for this. Write the given equation above the table. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 is the table. Now form a table x, y. Now for the value of x 0, we get y 6. Enter here 0, 6. For x, when x is equal to 1, we got y is equal to 4. Enter here 1, 4. And x is equal to 2, y is also 2. Enter here 2 and 2. Similarly, for the second equation, we have to make a box like this. Dear children, second equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Dear children, keep minus 2y on the left hand side as it is. Take all the other terms, that is 4x and minus 4 to the right hand side. So 4x on taken to the right hand side will become minus 4x and minus 4 will become plus 4. Your children, we have got here minus and also 2 is common in all the terms. On dividing the equation by minus 2, what do you get here? Minus 2 gets cancelled, you get minus and minus plus, you get only y is equal to minus 2x minus 4x divided by 2x. Minus 2 means minus gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are. We get here 2, here plus 4 divided by 2 means plus divided by minus is minus. So 4 by 2 is 2. Dear children, I hope you understood how to simplify this. We get here y is equal to 2x minus 2. This is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Now as usual, you have to give different values for x and obtain the value for y. Consider x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2x. 2 into 1 minus 2. So we get here 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is how much, children? It is 0. Now for x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, give one more value for x. Consider x is equal to 2. So y is equal, dear children, this sign is implies that. So y is equal to 2 into 2. In the place of x, substitute 2. So you get minus 2, right, as it is. 2 to the 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we got one more value. Now consider one more value now. X is equal to 3. So implies that y is equal to 2 into value of x is 3 minus 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, children, we got all the values of y, substituting values for x. Now again, tabulate. Prepare a table and write the given equation above the table. 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 is the equation. This is the method that you have to write on the table. Above the table, now substitute the values of here x and y. X is 1, y is 0. If x is 2, y is 2. If x is 3, y is 4. Dear children, we have got two tables now. Now let us plot both these values on the same graph. Now let us consider the first equation first. Dear children, prepare the graph. Write x-axis x, x dash, and y-axis y, y dash. Now mark the values. You have taken x is x-axis is the scale, children. 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Since the values are very small, we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit in both x and y-axis. This is the table, children. We have to plot these points. Here mark here on the right hand side from 0 you mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. From 0 on the left hand side you keep on marking minus 1, minus 2, etc. Here children, how to mark above the 0? Yes, this is plus. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, etc. above y-axis, x-axis. Now from here, from 0, mark on the y-axis y dash minus 1, minus 2, etc. This is how you have to prepare a graph sheet. You have learned it very well. Now on this graph sheet, we shall plot these values. Let us take the first value. X is 0, y is 6. X is 0. Dear children, on x-axis, you find 0 is here. This is 1. So, take x-axis 0. From here, you have to move on to y-axis. Y-axis 6. So, that means you have to move on the y-axis. That is, you move to here. Y is equal to 0. So, mark here into mark and write the values coordinates 0 and 6. This is the first point we have marked. Now let us mark the second point. Second point is 1 and 4. So x-axis 1, y-axis 4. So from 0, children, move on to right hand side because plus 1 is on the right hand side. Move to 1 unit here. So from here, this is x value. Now y is 4. Y is 4 means plus 4. Plus 4 you have to move up. So move 1, 2, 3, 4. So mark here into mark and write the coordinates 1 and 4. Dear children, you have learned how to plot the points, 2 points. One more point is there, 2 and 2. X-axis 2 and y-axis 2. Dear children, from 0 you move to right hand side, that is plus 2, move to right hand side plus 1 and this is plus 2 and y is also plus 2. Move on the y-axis plus 1 plus 2. Mark here and we have got all these 3 points, dear children. You can see they are on the same line. Connecting these, you draw a line using scale. Dear children, when you draw a line appears like this. Mark. This is the line of the equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Dear children, Now on the same graph, now let us plot the other equation, values of the other equation. Dear children, this is the first line. Now see the values of second equation. Here x is equal to 1 means y is equal to 0. So mark on the same graph x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, move to the right side. X is equal to 1, 0. So y is equal to 0 means the value is on the x-axis, x coordinate. So therefore here the first point is 1 0. Mark the point. Now consider second point 2 and 2. Dear children, we have already plotted this in the first equation. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Already we have plotted this point. Now last point, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Move on the x-axis 3 digits here and y-axis 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark here into this is 3, 4. The coordinates of this point are 3 and 4. Dear children, you can see these 3 points lie on the same line. Join these lines, these points and draw one more line. Dear children, now here is a beautiful graph. Join these lines, these points and get a line. This is the second equation, line for second equation. So what is second equation, children? 4x minus 2x, 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the second equation and this is the first equation and the first line. 2x plus y is equal to 6. Dear children, what do you observe here? Both these lines intersect at a point. When line intersect at a point, we have got unique solution. C 0 0. So x value is also 0. This is the x value. Draw a perpendicular from with a dotted line from this point to x-axis. So we reach here 2. So x is equal to 2. From this point, draw dotted lines to the y-axis. From here, draw a perpendicular into the y-axis dotted line. We'll reach here 2. That means y is also 2. Dear children, y is equal to 2. When two lines intersect each other, the pair of solution equations will have one solution. We call it as unique solution. Dear children, we have solved these two equations by graphical method and got the values of x and y. Dear children, you can solve this problem by using elimination method for verification. Dear children, hope you understood the first problem. Now we shall consider one more problem. Here is a problem, children, appeared in the SSLC June 2019 public examination paper. This is the equation is like this: 2x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 1. This is a very easy problem, dear children. Take the first equation, 2x plus y is equal to 8. So write in the standard form y is equal to mx plus c. Keep y on the left hand side. Keep this y on the left hand side. Take this 8 is already on the right hand side. 2x you take to the right hand side. Dear children, when you take this 2x to the right hand side, that becomes minus 2x. So we got the equation y is equal to 8 minus 2x. Dear children, you have to give values for x. Now first consider x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, find the value of y. Y is equal to 8 minus 2x. 8 minus 2 into x is 1. Right inside the bracket 1. So right. So that is equal to 8 as it is. 2 ones are 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Dear children, we got the first value. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6. Or no value you can give. Dear children, I have given here 2. You can give any other value, but the value should not exceed. You should not get a big number. That's all. You should get small units here. You have considered now x is equal to 2. Implies that, so the equation y is equal to 8 minus 2x. 2 into you have taken x is equal to 2, right? Inside the bracket 2. So y is equal to 8 minus 2 2s are 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Got the second value. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Now consider third value. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to 8 minus 2x. 8 minus 2 into the place of x. The place of x, children, you write 3. Open a bracket and write here. Now simplify it as it is. Minus 2 3s are 6. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Dear children, we got this value. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Now prepare a table like this. Write the given equation above the table and uh, write the values of x and y. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6, and x is equal to 2, y 4, x is equal to 3, y 2. Dear children, now prepare equation for the second table for the second equation. The second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. Yes, children, you have to simplify this. Y is equal to y is minus. So keep y on the left hand side, that become minus 1 minus y. So this will become x minus 1. Yes, children, simplification you get y is equal to x minus 1. Substitute the value of x. If consider x is equal to 1, implies that y is equal to x minus 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. If x is equal to 2, so y is equal to x minus 1. That the value of x is 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now consider one more value, x is equal to 3. So y is equal to x is 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. We got all the three values for x and y and make a table. On the table, write the given equation x minus y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, y 0, x is equal to 2, y 1, x is equal to 3, the value of y is 2. Dear children, now you have to plot both these values on the same graph. Now prepare the graph. Yes, hope you have already prepared the graph, right? X-axis, y-axis, and also mark the points because there are very small values. Take x is equal to 1 centimeter is 1 unit, y-axis also 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and prepare the graph to plot. I hope children that you are ready with the graph. Now we shall plot. Dear children, yes, you have prepared graph like this. X dash, this is x-axis, and y dash, this is y-axis. So you have taken x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, y-axis also 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1, 2, from here to the right hand side, mark all positive values. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, 5, etc. On the left hand side, minus 1, minus 2. So from 0, here you write towards y, write plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus etc. Towards the y dash, you write minus 1, minus 2, etc. Yes, children, your graph is ready. Now we shall plot the values. Now the table is here ready. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 6. X here, dear children, this is plus positive value. Move from 0 to 1. X is equal to 1. We are here now. Now move to y is equal to 6. From here, move to y is equal to 6. We got here y is equal to 6. So mark here, these are the coordinates of this point 1, 6. In the same manner, now let us plot the second value x is equal to 2, y 4. Dear children, again you have to start from the 0. From here, count 1, this is x-axis, 1, 2. So dear children, you have to move on the x-axis first. From there, you have to move to y-axis. What is the value of y? Y is 4. From here, move 1, 2, 3, 4. This mark here, mark the point. This is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Write the coordinates here. mark and write the coordinates here. Now you have plotted 2 points. Now consider the third point, 3 and 4. Again, from 0, move on to x is equal to 3. This is the point, x is equal to 3. From there, we have to move y is equal to 2. Positive value towards the up, towards here, move towards y. So this is 1, this is 2. Y is equal to 2. These are the coordinates of this point. Mark the point, write 3 and 2. Dear children, you have plotted all the 3 points. Now you can observe all the 3 points on a straight line. You can join these 3 points and draw a line. Dear children, when you join the points, you get a straight line. You can see all the points lie on the same line. Now mark the line. This is the line for the equation 2x plus y is equal to 8. You can write near this line. Now children, the first equation we have plotted and we got a straight line. Now on the same graph, you have to plot the second equation. Yes, children, the values for second equation are here: x1, x1, 2, 3, y0, 1, 2. These values you have to plot on the same graph. This is the first graph you have plotted. Now these values we shall plot on same graph. So first value, x is equal to 1, 0. So x from 0, you move on to right hand side, x is equal to 1, y is 0. Y is 0 means you need not move up or down, mark there only. This point become 1, 0. These are the coordinates of this point, 1, 0. Now second point, 2, 1. So x-axis 2 means from 0, move on to second digit here, 2. From there, 1. Y-axis 1. So mark this point. This is 2, 1. X-axis 2, y-axis 1. Write the coordinates inside the bracket and mark the point. Now second point is also you have plotted. Now let us try to plot the third point, 3, 2. X is 3, y is 2. So from here you move on to 3. X is equal to plus 3. 1, 2, 3. This is x is equal to plus 3 and y is equal to 2. Hey children, you know how to move towards the upward direction. First y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now these 3 points you got. Now what you have to do? Join and draw these 3 points. You have to join and draw a line. Let us see how it appears. Dear children, when you join these points, we get one more line here. This is the line for the equation x minus y is equal to 1. This is the line for 2x plus y is equal to 8. These two equations we have plotted on the same graph and you see that they intersect each other at a point. This point from here you draw a dotted line to x-axis, you'll get the x value. Here what is the value of x? Yes, it is 3. So right here x is equal to 3. From this point, from the point of intersection, call it as P, from here draw a dotted line perpendicular to the y-axis. We reach here at 2. That means value of y is 2. Right here y is equal to 2. Dear children, we have plotted and both the equations and the same graph and got the solution x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So these two equations has a unique solution, only one solution, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Dear children, same equation you try to solve by elimination method and verify your answer. Dear children, note down assignments. Solve graphically. First problem, x plus 3y is equal to 6 and second equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So solve both these equations, write in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, give the values for x and y, and prepare a table for this. Similarly, prepare one more table for this. Dear children, plot these two equations on the same graph and get the value by graphical method, and also you can verify it using elimination method also. Dear children, note down one more problem. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Dear children, for this also you have to prepare two tables separately and plot on the same graph and get the value of x and y. Hope children that you have understood the lesson. Here we shall stop this lesson.